The third limb of yoga, asana, the art of physical postures. Welcome back to our series on Patanjali's 8 limbs of yoga. In our previous videos, we explored Yama and Niyama, the ethical and personal guidelines that support our practice. Today, we're diving into the third limb, asana. Asana refers to the physical postures of yoga. While many people associate yoga primarily with these postures, asana is just one aspect of a much larger practice. Let's explore the significance of asana and how it can enhance our overall well-being. One, the purpose of asana. The word asana translates to seat in Sanskrit. Traditionally, the purpose of asana is to create a stable and comfortable position for meditation. However, in modern practice, asana has evolved into a variety of physical postures designed to strengthen and balance the body, increase flexibility, and promote relaxation. Through these postures, we can cultivate a deeper awareness of our body and breath, preparing ourselves for more profound meditative experiences. 2. Benefits of asana. Practicing asana offers numerous benefits for both the body and mind. Physically, it improves strength, flexibility, and balance. Regular practice can also alleviate tension, enhance circulation, and support overall health. Mentally, asana helps us develop focus and concentration. The connection between breath and movement encourages mindfulness, allowing us to stay present in the moment and reduce stress. 3. Finding your practice. Asana is accessible to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, it's essential to find a practice that suits your needs. Listen to your body and honor its limits. Yoga is not about perfection, it's about exploration and self-discovery. Experiment with different styles, such as hatha, vinyas, or yin, to find what resonates with you. 4. The role of breath. Breath is a fundamental aspect of asana. As we move through postures, focusing on our breath helps create a seamless flow and enhances our practice. Inhaling and exhaling deeply allows us to connect with our bodies, promoting relaxation and reducing tension. This mind-body connection is crucial for experiencing the full benefits of asana. 5. Integrating asana into daily life. Asana can be incorporated into our daily lives, even outside of formal practice. Simple stretches or mindful movements can be performed throughout the day, helping to release tension and improve focus. Creating a consistent practice, whether it's a dedicated session or short moments of stretching, will enhance your overall well-being and deepen your connection to yourself. Asana is a powerful tool for cultivating awareness, strength, and balance in our lives. While it's an essential part of yoga, it's also a gateway to deeper practices like meditation and self-reflection. What is your favorite asana, and how does it make you feel? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more insights on yoga. Join us next time as we explore the fourth limb, pranayama, the practice of breath control. Thank you for watching, and may your journey through yoga bring you peace and clarity.